Hey, how y'all doing? Happy Thursday. I hope all is well with you guys. Let's dive right into this video. You are responsible for your own triggers. You have to unplug them. You are responsible for your own triggers. You have to unplug them. So, if you know you're the type of person that get angry at certain things said to you, and you take your behind and be in a situation where somebody triggers you and you know it's triggering, that is a recipe for disaster. Everybody, you know, has things that probably trigger them. And the only thing to get over something triggering you is to not go around it, work on it. Because let me tell you something. When a person find out things that trigger you, they're going to keep trying you. And you're going to find yourself keep arguing with a person, want to get violent, want to fight. You yourself have to work on your triggers to the point where it gets to the point where it don't bother you. It's a working process. I know it is, and I'm not looking at it like it's easy to do. Let me just say that, because I know it's not. But everything is a working process. Everything takes time. I'm getting tongue-tied. Everything takes time. Nothing works overnight. But when you find yourself in situations like this, it's best for you to not go around people that make you that way. Go somewhere, woo-saw, because at the end of the day, they wanted a reaction out of you anyway. They knew what was going to get you riled up. And a lot of people be happy by making other people miserable and mad because they're actually miserable themselves. You literally, I know this is so messed up and it's probably so far-fetched, but it's so true. You have people that wake up every day to piss people off just because they are not happy with themselves. And they are actually the sad ones, because you're going around trying to make people mad because you're feeling away, because you're empty inside and you need to work on yourself. Yeah, that's it.